At number 5, we have the Boss Audio System's BV9358B. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice. It stands out with its versatile multimedia capabilities, including a 6.2-inch touchscreen that delivers crisp visuals at 800 by 480 resolution. It supports a wide range of media formats such as CD, DVD, MP3, and WMA, while offering modern connectivity options like Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music streaming. The built-in equalizer with customizable settings for bass, treble, balance, and fader ensures tailored audio performance to suit different preferences. This double-DIN stereo also features front-mounted USB, SD card, and AUX inputs for convenience, along with preamp outputs for system expansion. With a total power output of 320 watts, it provides robust sound quality. The inclusion of RDS tuner functionality and multiple preset radio stations enhances usability. Additionally, the BV9358B supports steering wheel controls and includes a wireless remote for added ease of operation. Its combination of features makes it a solid choice for car audio enthusiasts.